Welcome. Welcome to synthesizing class number. This is the second part in 1 week program titled classification using DDC. In this lesson video, synthesizing how synthesizing is done, how class numbers are built using DDC is discussed. You are aware synthesize means adding something together, or otherwise it can be understood as creating something. The number building in DDC happens in four different methods. These four methods are used to build number according to the requirements in the library, or according to the requirement of the given information resource. The table one, that is standard subdivisions, are used generally, and it is widely used topic. And tables 2 to 6 are also used, and the most important number building method is other parts of the schedules are brought together and a number is coined. And the last and final technique is adding tables in the schedules. So different tables are added together to coin the number. When we are synthesizing, we will be using connecting symbols. These connecting symbols are 0, R, and 09. So depending upon the instructions in the respective part of the schedule, we have to use a single zero or two zeros or three zeros. We cannot use zeros as our wish. We have to follow the instructions given in the respective part of the schedule, and by following those instructions only, we have to use more than one zero. And for historical and other treatments, we use 09 as the connecting symbol. One example we will see now: reading instruction in the primary schools of Australia. The number is 372.409 and 94. Now, the 372.4 represents reading instruction in primary schools. So this is a kind of instruction, that is reading instruction in primary schools. And 09, a connecting symbol that represents history, geographic treatment, biography from table 1. So, and 94 represents Australia from table 2. So now 372.4 plus 09 plus 94, this gives the number 372.40994. This represents reading instruction in the primary schools of Australia. Now we will see another example: libraries in France in the late 20th century. So there are two different aspects: libraries in France and a time frame late 20th century. So this class is represented by 027.044.09045. So 027, according to DDC, 027 represents general libraries, archives, information centers, and 027.0 represents libraries around the world. Now, the number 027.0 plus 44 is France from table 2, 09 is, as given in the earlier example, a treatment for geographical and time frame, this thing, and again to that 0545 is added to represent late 20th century. So therefore, the number 027.044.09045 represents libraries in the France in the late 20th century. Now another example: character education. The number is 372.0114. Now we will see how this is arrived. This number is arrived. 372.011 is